How often should I clean my propane regulator?
Hello, and welcome to our How to Guide on Propane Regulator Maintenance. Today, we'll be answering the important question, how often should I clean my propane regulator?
Why is cleaning your propane regulator important?
A propane regulator is an essential device that controls and maintains the gas flow between your propane tank and your appliances. Regular cleaning and maintenance are important because it helps to keep the regulator in good working condition, which can enhance its lifespan and ensure the safety and efficiency of your propane-powered appliances.
How often should I clean my propane regulator?
The frequency of cleaning your propane regulator can depend on several factors, including the usage rate and the environment where the tank is stored. However, as a general rule of thumb, it's recommended that you clean your propane regulator at least once every year. If you live in a dusty or sandy environment, or if your propane tank and regulator are exposed to harsh weather conditions, you may need to clean the regulator more frequently. Regular inspection for signs of dirt or debris can help you decide if more frequent cleaning is needed.
How do I clean my propane regulator?
Cleaning your propane regulator is a straightforward process. First, turn off the propane tank and disconnect the regulator. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt or debris from the regulator. Avoid using water or other cleaning solutions as these can damage the regulator. After cleaning, reconnect the regulator to the propane tank, ensuring that all connections are secure. Proper maintenance of your propane regulator is essential for the safety and efficiency of your propane appliances. Cleaning your propane regulator at least once a year or as needed due to your environment can help extend its lifespan and improve its performance. Remember, when in doubt, it's always best to consult with a professional. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and happy grilling!